In this aid, we will voice our in every way that really matters, own and market's viewpoint on LN future while examining the connection cost estimate for 2023 and then some, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Kindly truly remember that you ought to sort of believe this and any truly other forecast tentatively, since foreseeing anything for the most part is an unpleasant undertaking. Truly, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like connection. Presently, we should head into it, in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Before we dive pretty profound into the connection value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that LN basically is a sort of wise speculation or not. For what reason will LN succeed or by and large fall flat, or for what reason will connection value rise or drop? We should rapidly, for the most part, toss a look at what LN really is and its to-date history in a kind of huge manner. LN value expectation for the following 10 days in an extremely significant manner. The entire crypto world generally is on an edge of a very complete breakdown, which basically is very critical. Bitcoin especially has fallen 75% from its untouched high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs in an unobtrusive manner. At the point when add the latest implosions of tremendous industry players into the situation, the horizon in every practical sense is dinky, and there will really be in every way that really matters more blood in the city of the crypto town, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Financial backers truly are selling unsafe resources and moving into kind of additional steady business sectors, which really is genuinely critical. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous sort of play, and thus the auction, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. Our algo still sees us some genuinely green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year, or so they generally thought. This especially is reflected in our 2023 expectations in a sort of large manner. At the present time, Bitcoin in a real sense needs to find a base before we can move the other way and really alter the course, which sort of is very huge. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to especially do likewise. We by and large have seen this situation many generally times in the far off and for the most part later history, showing how this fundamentally is reflected in our 2023 expectations in a quite enormous way. Our cost expectation model is negative for the fundamentally next 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. We essentially expect whales and other greater players in the market to sort of wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike, which by and large is genuinely huge. Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and essential evaluation of each task, or so they explicitly thought. Essentials that we in a real sense assess in every way that really matters are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical fundamentally potential, and a few truly other kind of exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023-02-10 plus 3.85% $44 in an unpretentious manner. 2023-02-11 in an unpretentious manner, plus 1.48% $42. 99-2023-02-12 plus 1.20% $42.87. Further appearance how our cost expectation model generally is negative for the extremely next 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. 2023-02-13 plus 5.67% $44.77, which all things considered is very critical. 2023-02-14 1.71% $41.64, or so they really thought. 2023-02-15 plus 5.18% $44.56 2023-02-16. So presently, how about we head into it, or so they especially thought. 3.76% $40.77 2023-02-17, or so they especially thought, plus 2.82% $43.56 2023-02-18 in a kind of significant manner, plus 3.60% $43.89 2023-02-19, or so they especially thought. 0.13% $42.31 2023-02-20 in an unobtrusive manner. 3.59% $40.84 LN value expectation 2025, showing how Bitcoin generally has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed certainly high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs in a genuinely significant manner. Our forecast model sees LN coming to $86.42 in 2025. What will LN be exceptionally worth in 5 years in an unpretentious way? The cost of LN in 5 years could by and large lie around $78.56 in an unpretentious manner. Connect value forecast 2030 to 2040. What connection will sort of be worth in 2030, which really is very huge. Our estimating model sees connection coming to $216.06 in 2030, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. What connection will basically be truly worth in 2040. Our gauging model sees connection coming to $432.12 in 2040, or so they really thought. Will connection for the most part supplant, sort of outperform, truly surpass Bitcoin in a by and large enormous manner? No, connection won't generally supplant or for the most part surpass BTC, which by and large is genuinely huge. Can connection explicitly reach $1,000, which especially is genuinely huge? Indeed, connection could basically reach $1,000 toward the finish of 2025. Is connection essentially worth purchasing? Really in opposition to prevalent thinking. We truly are supporters of decently hazardous financial planning. Essentially contribute the majority of fundamentally your crypto portfolio in BTC. 35% in a container of genuinely large cap coins and the rest in little ventures with enormous potential gain, which explicitly is very huge. Thus, in this unique circumstance, connection generally is fundamentally worth purchasing, which truly is very critical. Is connection a sort of wise speculation, which truly is very critical? Connect is, very much like all extremely other digital forms of money, a hazardous venture. It does have genuinely higher likelihood of going up than down due to the very great use case, all-around plan tokenomics, extremely dynamic local area and a strong group behind it in an unpretentious manner. How much will connection in a real sense be, all things considered, worth in a significant way? For the extremely momentary future, it could explicitly reach $24.40, showing how 2023-02-13 plus 5.67% $44.77. Certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. In the sort of long haul, it could leap to $216.06 or considerably higher, or so they especially thought. For what reason will connection especially succeed and sort of get more expensive in a significant manner? Connect explicitly has a very decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, lovely dynamic local area, and a genuinely strong group behind it in an every practical sense, large way. These are an essential for progress, and that especially is the reason our expectation model sees connection ascending to $216.06 in 2030 in a by and large enormous manner. For what reason will connection generally fall flat and drop in cost, which for the most part is very huge? Crypto projects fall flat because of multiple factors, which especially is genuinely huge. The absolute undoubtedly normal ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the undertaking. Controllers generally proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it. Absence of media consideration. In every practical sense, more effective contenders. Absence of all-around plan showcasing system. Losing local area support. Possible weakness in the convention. Neglecting to especially accomplish expected especially least development movement on the convention. Neglecting to draw in new designers to for the most part expand on their foundation. Or so they truly thought.